Imagine this, you're standing under a silent night sky. Millions of stars glowing above you, each one a possible home to someone or something else. For thousands of years, humans have looked upward and wondered if we're truly alone, or if strange eyes from distant worlds are looking back at us. The universe is so massive that it almost feels impossible that life exists only here on Earth. Our galaxy alone holds billions of stars, and scientists have already discovered countless planets that are surprisingly Earth-like, sitting in the perfect zone where life could survive. Some of these worlds might have oceans, mountains, storms, and maybe even creatures that have evolved in ways we can't imagine. And then there are the mysteries we've detected, the sudden radio bursts from deep space, signals that appear for a moment and never repeat. As if someone far away whispered to us and then went silent. There was the famous WOW signal in 1977, a strange transmission that fit exactly what scientists expected from an intelligent source, but it vanished before anyone could understand it. Closer to home, moons like Europa and Enceladus hide oceans beneath their icy surfaces, warmed by forces deep inside. Entire alien ecosystems could be swimming in those dark waters right now, waiting to be discovered. But if intelligent aliens do exist, why haven't they contacted us? Some scientists say they might be too far. Others think they may be watching quietly, studying us the way we study animals in the wild. Or maybe they're simply not interested in us yet. What we do know is this: every year, our technology gets better, our telescopes see farther, and our understanding of the universe becomes deeper. We may be closer than ever to discovering life beyond Earth, whether it's a simple microbe or a civilization far more advanced than ours.